Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Microsoft OneNote to digitize your handwritten notes and turn them into organized, searchable digital content. Whether you take notes on paper, whiteboard, or handwritten PDFs, OneNote offers powerful tool to help you bring everything into one digital workplace. In this video, I will walk you step by step through how to capture handwritten notes using your phone or tablet, import images and PDFs into OneNote, and convert handwritten into text using built-in feature. You will also learn how to organize your notes into notebooks or sections, search handwritten content, and sync everything across devices. So right now we are at the onenote.cloud.microsoft. So you must make sure that your Microsoft account is already logged in. So I have already logged in my Microsoft account. So you just click on this create a new notebook for writing down your notes or digitizing your notes. Okay, so I will show you both ways. So now it will take us to our notes editor. So this is the notes editor section. By the way, you can also access this notes editor in your mobile through OneNote application on the Play Store as well as on the App Store. Okay, so let me make sure to sign in again. So yes, my account is signed in. So as you can see that this is the title section. You can add the title of your notes, like I write a title notes one. Okay, and here in the description section you can write down your notes, whether it's your class lectures. You can also use this feature of dictate feature, like you can add writings with the help of your voice. Okay, as soon as you start speaking, it will start writing down each and everything here. Okay, so the next step is how you can insert your PDF files or images, you can say. So just click on this insert option and you can see there is an option for the table, for the file, for the pictures, and also for the insert link. You can add your data with the help of this setting, like you can add your files. Okay, you just click on the insert file or insert file printout or insert file attachment, and you can also add your picture. So that's how you can just click on this camera and just take the picture of the notes, and it will write it down in the form of the text on this note section. So that's how basically you can use it. Okay, and after that you just click on this file option and then you can click on share to save it in your mobile or your device. So that's how basically you can use Microsoft OneNote to digitizing your handwritten notes and important notes of your lectures. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.